I choose the Master of Chiropractic because it's helping people with your hands. There's no prescribing of any medications, which I love. It's very naturally helping of people.
I've enjoyed learning about different conditions within the body, pathologies that we need to be aware of in clinic, learning about different conditions, how they can present, and having to do that detective work so that when you come across a patient presenting in a certain way, you know all the different things that it could be, you learn how to rule things in, rule things out, and that I really enjoy.
Adjustments, those are a big thing. Straight away you think of it, it's impressive, you see it, you hear that popping sound, it's cool really. You're learning about yourself, you're learning about your body, and that's very applicable with diagnosis where you're learning about these conditions as well.
We have had both placements in university settings within the clinic that we work at as Meistr. It's helped us really get a first-hand experience of what it's like to work with patients as we're seeing them on a bi-weekly basis. Hospital placements, and these have kind of given us an insight into what working with other medical professionals is like.
They do invest a lot in the equipment here in USW. The technology is for sure up there compared to the other chiropractic universities in the region.